Where's my wife? We spent all day moving. Where is she? Should be a sweat ball, but no, she looks pristine and beautiful. Honey, say hi. Hi, sweetie. Okay, there's our refrigerator. Somehow we still have that table. You'll notice no chairs. A little bit of furniture. We'll take a second run. We'll make 2 runs. The van is here. Not much left. Where's Mr. Ryder? 1-800-GO-RYDER. There he is. Taking a bunch of pictures and plants over to Joni's now. Thank you, Joni, for helping us there. And here it is. We're moving out today. Goodbye home. You sure are playing in the back. But I came out here, said you could hear the birds. Can you hear them? Okay. Hey girls, it's been a long while since we made a videotape. What's the special day today, Madison?
Birthday party.
Anybody special? Who?
Lauren!
And how old is she going to be, Madison?
6.
6? Well, then how old are you, sweetheart?
4.
And where do you live now? What city?
Lexington,
Ohio. Good place to be 6 or 4. Well, hi, Pluto. Lauren, did you buy that with your own money today from Grandma and Grandpa? Well, super. Okay, so we're set up for the party. Can I go around and look at your party decorations?
Yeah.
You want to show us the carnival?
Yes.
Madison, what's in...
Let's show you the beads first.
Bead
No.
game?
Wait, okay, downstairs first and then bead flash.
Okay, so what part of your carnival down here?
The fortune telling and the fishing.
Oh my goodness, there's a special sign fortune. Okay. Let me go down. So fortune teller. Oh.
Me and Doggy going to fortune telling.
Okay. And we're going to get the crystal globe that we have and put it in there. We better go get that pretty soon. And so a kid will have their fortune told here by a parent. And then you get a fancy ring. Okay, put them down. All right, come show me the fish. This is the fish. Can't really see it. It says fishing hole. Oh, I guess you can't see it. Oh, and you'll put that over there, and then a surprise will be on the end.
Yeah.
But put it on the. Oh, great. Okay. All right. Why don't you leave the fishing pole maybe right there? Because we're getting close. We're getting close to where we had the game. All right. You girls want to show me something upstairs?
Beads.
Beads? Okay. Special beads. Beautiful colored ones, huh? Let me get a good shot of one. Okay, okay. Oh, and we have a spill one. And so this is a bead table, and you'll make things. You make a necklace or a bracelet. Okay, super. Why don't you show me your next? Show me the balloon hat one, the special one.
Okay, let's go show Daddy the balloon.
And I gotta make a balloon hat. Honey, that guy's too slow. Pick him up. He's so slow. Okay. Oh wait, look at Mr. Fader, huh? What a pretty table we have.
Come on, Mom.
Oh, it's going to be chaos in 20 minutes, honey.
You better see if you can do a balloon.
I better. Okay. Here is the balloon hat guy. And I'm going to be the balloon hat guy. And then you put them in the balloon blower upper, and then we make a hat out of them. Lauren, I'll take a picture now when we do sing happy birthday to you, okay? You going to have a great 6th birthday? Hey, Lauren, look at me. Are you going to have a good 6th birthday?
Yeah.
How many friends are coming over? Like 15 or 16?
17.
17, that's way too many. Maddie, you gonna have a fun party for your sister? Okay. See you at the party. Is that your first hat?
First hat ever.
Not bad, not bad. Just twist it.
Let me try.
Okay, here's the hats. Hey. Hey kids, how do you like your hats? How do you like your beads? Okay. Getting ready for food here. Oh, nice and calm in here on the bead table. Calming exercise. So how's it going, Haley? Allie, you doing your beads? All right. What are you gonna do? Which ones are you gonna put on? Oh. Cool. Okay, you keep working. I'm gonna go see the fortune teller. And the fisher, I think the fisherman's all done. Oh, you guys, are you ready for your fortune? She tell you? Hey, did she tell you about the future? What did she tell you is gonna happen? What, honey? She told you? Yeah? And was it good, funny stuff? Good stuff? Okay, did she look into the future with her crystal ball?
Yeah.
Okay, good, sweetheart.
Did she know you were going, what you were going to be when you grew up?
Okay, and here's the official ice cream cake. And you can see she's 5 plus 1, 6 years old, and it's a sunny day, November 6th. 2 days before D-Day, and there's Tony. Somehow he got in here. He looks a little early to be invited.
Hang in there.
You hang in there to yourself, honey.
Here, Madison.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Lauren,
Happy birthday to you.
Come on. You could do better. You're windier than that. Yay! You weren't in any hurry, were you?
Savoring the moment.
One wish per candle.
Yeah, that's right, 6 wishes.
You look at it
Thank you. Thank you, Kenny.
Daddy!
Oh my gosh,
Alice!
All these kids.
I don't think we need to have Christmas around here now.
This is just a warm-up, Mom.
Oh man.
Which Kevin is this? Kevin?
Again.
This says, it's your day for fun, birthday cake and party favors, ice cream and your favorite flavors. Lots and lots of fun each minute. Hope that's what the day has in it. Happy birthday, Allison.
Boy, she's neat. She's putting it away. Oh, some art.
Sparkling spiral art. Oh, Lauren, you're going to have so much fun. You're going to be busy all weekend.
She goes through.
I think she likes mine.
Madison, grab the last one.
Thank you, Allison.
Who do you like most?
This is the biggest box ever.
It's Elizabeth!
From Elizabeth.
Oh, I missed it. There it is. They just jumped. Poor neighbors. Keep on my shadow. It's a beautiful day today. Hi, Madison. Whee! Allison and Kevin. Whoa! Thank you, sweetie. Hey, you silly. Jump on him. Hey, Kevin, is that a leaf pile right there in front of me?
Yeah.
Is there something special about that leaf pile?
Yeah, someone died in it.
Oh no, they're dead. Oh no. Okay, come out, my girls. Oh, there's Madison, there's Lauren. Oh! Who wants to be buried next? Okay, how about I put this down? Maureen by the turkey. And it is Thanksgiving dinner time. There's Maureen. Maureen, head cook.
Hey!
Chief bottle washer. We're coming in, Maureen. Okay, honey. Sophie, we'll get Sophie, hon. Maureen, where's your turkey, dear? Come on, down there by the turkey, please. Maureen, Maureen.
Oh, okay, sure.
By golly. Stay there. Okay, now kneel down, kiss the turkey.
No, don't kiss the turkey,
No.
please.
Tonguing the turkey. It's a three-legged turkey. Thank you. Looks yummy. It's 20 pounds. Yum. What happened to the orange?
One more.
We may not be able to find them, Lauren. I haven't found those cards in a while.
How are you?
I just need one more and I'll have a
Trading cards.
side up.
Side deck.
Would you trade me?
So, Shay, what did you give her?
Fire energy.
She gave you a side deck, and you got what? You gave her.
Trade you fire energy. Oh, I have Pikachu.
Let me see what you got there.
I'll trade you a fire energy. Oh, and Pikachu for 2. Hi, Sophie. We got the very first
We're gonna go for fire energy. You're gonna get a fire energy, Lauren, and a Pikachu, and you'll give him 2 of your cards.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I got.
You want a Pikachu?
Okay.
That
who would
Pikachu?
you trade it for both of you? I gave you one, so you
Fire energy and Pikachu right there. Ooh, that looks like a good trade. Okay.
Come on, Monica. Come on, Amanda.
Breakfast time. They're awake. They're awake.
No. No.
Don't play on the computer.
Did everybody eat turkey, mommy? You guys look like some turkeys. Ew.